this video, learn how to make a memory quilt. Memory quilts are a great keepsake for displaying meaningful and important mementos. For more information on materials needed, fabric recommendations, tips, and a step-by-step guide, download our free PDF on our website. To start, decide on your quilt design. You can make a simple block quilt or an advanced block quilt. There's more information on this in our instructional PDF. Also, determine how large you would like your quilt to be. For this video, we're making an advanced quilt, 3 blocks by 3 blocks. Next, pick some t-shirts or other materials from your collection or thrift. Cut all of the seams open to create a single layer of fabric. Frame the graphic in the t-shirt quilting transformation template. Mark with chalk around the template block lines. With a ruler and a rotary cutter, cut on the chalk lines to make a square block. Cut the interfacing to the same size as the cut fabric block, or piece by using the same technique. Stabilize the back of the t-shirt with interfacing. Use the iron to fuse. When piecing the center block together, align the long side of the rectangle parallel with the edge of the square and let the edge come off one of the sides. Repeat this for the other 3 of the rectangle pieces. Sew all of the pieces together to form the block. For the half block and the center block, use the t-shirt block template and chalk to mark the block to the right size. Use a ruler and the rotary cutter to cut out the shape. For blocks with small pieces, you can top stitch the seams with a twin stitch. Arrange the blocks in a way that you would like them to be shown on the finished quilt. Then sew all of the top quilt blocks together. Sandwich the batting between the top of the quilt and the quilt backing. Wrong side should be facing the batting. Pin the quilt in place and smooth out any gathering so that all layers are perfectly flat from the edges. There is an option to machine quilt the fabric if the maker has a long arm sewing machine. Feel free to use stencils. This project can also have hand stitching done. Place and sew the fold over broadcloth around the edges of the quilt and zigzag stitch on the inner edge of the fold over binding. Want an easy way to get clean and professional looking mitered corners on your project? Check out this simple cheat. Or to make a custom fold over, check out these instructions and video. Your quilt is now complete and perfect for a cozy night in. Share your creation on Facebook and Instagram at fabricland.canada.